Amazon CloudFront is AWS content delivery network. It caches your content at over 400 edge locations worldwide, serving users from the nearest point, dramatically cutting latency for global audiences. Without a CDN, every user hits your origin server directly, even from 12,000 kilometers away. That means 150 to 300 millisecond round-trip delays, slow page loads, and frustrated users abandoning your site. CloudFront intercepts requests at the nearest edge. Cache hit, content is already at the edge, served in milliseconds. Cache miss, CloudFront fetches from your origin just once, caches it, every future request is instant. CloudFront is origin agnostic. Amazon S3 is the most common origin for static assets. EC2 or ALB for dynamic applications. API gateway for serverless APIs. Even your own on-premise servers work as an origin. Every CloudFront distribution includes free HTTPS with ACM certificates, DDoS protection via AWS Shield standard at no cost, geo-restriction to block specific countries, and Lambda Edge to run code at edge locations. Serving S3 directly versus CloudFront plus S3, CloudFront wins on global speed, HTTPS with custom domains, cost at high traffic volumes, and security. Your S3 bucket stays fully private behind CloudFront using origin access control. Use CloudFront for global static websites, video streaming, and API acceleration. Skip it for single region internal apps where your users are all nearby. The setup overhead simply is not worth the marginal gain.